Yes, have you all taken your textbook? Yes, okay, now take page number 12. Those who have their textbook can write in that. Those who don't have, no problem, you can practice in your rough note. Okay, Kanna. Yes, can we see what it is? Yes, what is the first heading given here? Spot the error. Spot the error. So we are going to find where is the mistake. Error means mistake. Okay, wrong thing. We are going to find which one is wrong. Okay, can we find out the error now? Yes, okay. Find errors in the following number and object sequences. Okay, so they are asking us to find out the mistake in this numbers as well as in this picture. Okay, can we see what it is? Yes, so we can see the A sum. A sum, they have given numbers. Can we check whether the numbers are correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8. Oh my god, something is wrong in this. What is that? Yes, after 4, what is the number we should get? 4, 5, 6, right? They have interchanged the numbers and they have given. Yes, now we had found where is the error. So now what you're going to do is, you're going to put a small hyphen nearby the 8. That is a small slipping line like this. And you are going to box this two numbers and you're going to write correctly here. 5, 6. Have you all written in your textbook? Yes, superb. Now we will move on to the B sum. Can we check whether it is correct or not? Yes. 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. That is the mistake here. That is the error. Can you find out the error? Yes, it is here, right? After 3, what number should come? 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But they have given us 3, 5, 4. They have changed these two numbers. Yes, na? Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to box the number and we are going to write the answer. Can we write the answer? Okay, box 5 and 4 and put a small hyphen and write the correct number as 4 and 5. Have you all written in your note, textbook? Yes, okay. Now we can see the T. Cats on the right side are more in number. They have said that in the right hand side we have more cats. Can we check whether it is correct or not? Now we can say as this one as left hand side, right hand side and left hand side. Okay, so can we check how many cats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is 4 here. Can we check in the left hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here. Is this statement correct? No, it is wrong. Wrong? Yes. So the statement is wrong. Why? Because they have said that in the right hand side they have more number. More. Crocodile mouth. Do you remember? The crocodile, he will eat only the more number of objects or more numbers. Yes, na? Yes. But here it is equal. They have said that one side is more. So this one is wrong. So what we are going to write is, put a small hyphen, a small slipping line like this and write here as equal to 4 equal to 4. It is same. Are you all writing, Kanna? Same. I will write bigger. S-A-M-E. Same. Okay, Pattu. Write 4 equal to 4 and same like this. S-A-M-E. We have same number of objects. Have you all written? Underline this more. Right hand side are more. Underline that one and you can write it as 4 equal to 4. Same. Have you all written? Okay, superb. Now we will move on to the next slide. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now again spot the error. It is a D sum. Can we see what is the error here? You all know the number names, right? Yes. Okay. Can we check whether the spellings are correct or the sequence? Sequence means see the order given here. Order in the numbers we saw, right? From 1 to 9 they have given. The arrangement what they have done is wrong, right? Likewise, it is a sequence. So we can check whether it is correct or not. Okay, Kanna, see here. First they have given as 3.
Yuvarani ma'am, your call is muted.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me now? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So see here 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay, it is correct. F-O-U-R. 4. It is also correct. F-I-V-E. Correct. S-I-X. 6. Correct. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Correct. E-I-G-H-T. Correct. T-W-O-2. Correct. The spellings are correct only. Then why they have given spot the error? Can we find out? Can you find out what is the mistake here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. This is the number pattern. This is how the numbers will come. No, right? What is the after number of 8? It is 9. Yes, na? The after number of 8 is 9. So it is wrong here. So circle this one and write as N-I-N-I-N-E. 9. This one is wrong. Okay, Kanna? So circle that one. Spelling is correct, but the sequence is wrong. 2 should not come there. Only 9 should come. Yes, na? Yes. So ma'am has written as N-I-N-E 9 and below that I have written as number 9. Okay, Kanna, have you all written? Okay, superb. Now we will move on to the E sum. Okay? Yes. E. They have given the first one as square, then circles, triangle, circle again and plus symbol. Okay, they have given different shapes here. Loop shape, second one. Loop shape, okay. So how we can find out the mistake in this? Can we number it as we done in the D sum? Can we do like that? Can we number how many square boxes are there? Only one, right? So we can write 1 here. How many loopholes are here? Loophole means it has a small hole inside, right? So we call it as loopholes. So how many loopholes are there? 1, 2. So we can write 2 here. Here 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay, 3 triangles. Here can we count the circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circles are balls. Okay, 6 balls. Here plus symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So what is wrong here? 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. They have missed out 4. Yes, now they have missed out 4. Okay, no problem. Even if they miss out 4, what is the next number of 4? The after number of 4? It is 5, right? But they have given here as 6. So what we are going to do is, we are going to change this part alone. Okay? So we can leave out the missing number 4 and we can write the next sequence correctly. That means we are going to write as 1, 2, 3. 4 object is not given, so we can leave it that. And after 4 it is 5 and 6. Okay? Can we write like this? Yes. Are you people writing along with me? Yes. Superb. Ma'am will give you time. You can write it. Very good. So now we will move on to the next slide. Okay. Now take page number 13. 1, 3, 13. Have you all taken the page number 13? Can we do the sums now? Okay. Use data. Use data. Complete the series. Complete the series. Now here we are going to write the missing things. We are going to write the missing data. That is missing numbers or number names or whatever it is. Okay, can we write what? Check it out and write what it is. Okay. A, first one. A sum. Can we see it? Yes. 2, 3. Something is missing here. 5, 6. Again some number name is missing here. And 8. What is the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the missing number name here in this blank? Can you find out what is the number name? Yes, it is a number name of 4. Again, what is the missing number name here? Yes, it is the missing number name of 7. Can we write the spellings of 4 and 7? Yes. Now, write along with me. Write the spelling as, in the blank, it is a very small blank. So, I am going to write it here. You people are going to write it in the dash, this one. Here you will be writing. Ma'am will write the spelling over here in the empty column. Okay, Kanna? Yes. F O U R 4. Are you all writing along with me? Okay. So in the first dash you are going to write F O U R 4. Okay, Kanna? What is the next blank I have to write? What I have to write here? It is 7. The spelling of 7. Right? Can we write? Yes. S E B E N 7. S E B E N 7. Are you all writing along with me? Okay, superb. So the next one is 8. Very good. So we have filled the blank. The B sum is for your practice and you can do that. Okay, Kanna, it is very easy, right? Yes, you can find out the missing numbers and you can write by yourself. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Now I would like to call Ms. Sukanya ma'am to take over the session.
Thank you, Rani ma'am. Yes, children, are you all doing in your textbook? Yes. Now we'll go for the third sum. Yes, C sum. See, pick the figure which has the least number of shapes in it. See, pick the figure which has the least number of shapes in it. Least means what? Small. Yes, we saw the crocodile mouth, right? Small and big. Yes. So now we are going to find the less number, which is so less, small number. Okay. Now, shall we count how many stars are there in the first circle? Let us name it as A, B. First circle is A. Then B, C, D. Yes, now we can count how many stars are there in A. Okay. 1, 2. You also count along with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, in A, there are 6 stars. Yes, and next, in B, shall we count the arts? Yes, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 arts. Yes, now we can count C. Okay. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 orange bombs. Yes, and smiley. Yes, it's smiling like you. Shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Yes. Now first let us find matching numbers. First we will find the matching numbers. Which circle has the same matching numbers? It is B and D. Yes, we saw, right? Comparing numbers. Big number, biggest number, smallest number and equal, same number, right? So B and D has same. Same means what symbol we will put? We will put equal to. Yes. Yes, now we found the equal to. But in the question what they gave? Take the figure which has the least number of shapes in it. Least number means what? Less number, small number. See, if 6 is small, smaller than 5? No, 6 is a big number here. See, 6, 5, 4, 5. We have 6, 5, 4 and 5. So, 6 is the biggest number here. So, we will leave off the star. We will leave off the A circle. Now, let us go for B, C and D. We have 5 and 4. 5 and 4. See, which is the big number here? 5 or 4? It is 5. Biggest number, greatest number is 5. And which is the smallest number here? Least number. Yes, it's 4. The C, the orange bombs. Yes, we have only 4. So, what you should do? You should tick the C. Tick the C. Or you all doing? Tick the C. A small tick and write the number as 4. Right? Number 4. Yes, so we found the answer. Now shall we go for the next one? Yes, now turn the page. Go to page number 24. Come on, take the page number 24. Now we are going to do textbook exercise, page number 24. Yes, come on, take. All you all took 24 page number? Yes. Shall we do? What lesson is this? Addition. What lesson? Hello?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, Kritik Bala's sister, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, he came now to our home, ma'am. So he is not having textbook. So he is
Problem, ma'am. No problem.
okay.
So not having the textbook, you can write in your rough notebook, okay, ma'am? Or else just listen, ma'am. We will send the PDF. That time you can do it in the rough notebook. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, children. Now take page number 24. So all took. Shall we do the sum? Yes, it is addition. Addition means what? Yes, yesterday we did know what addition means. Putting things together. Addition means what? Putting things together. Yes, and what is the symbol of addition? It is plus. Yes, it is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. Yes, now in this textbook we are going to spot the error. In page number 24 we all took, yes, spot the error. Spot the error. See, correct the following. They have given some numbers like 1 plus 1 equal to 11, 0 plus 7 equal to 0, 2 plus 6 equal to 6, 2 plus 2 equal to 5. They have given numbers for you. We are going to see whether these numbers are correct. Okay. If it is wrong, we should correct and write the answers next to that. Okay. Shall we do? Will you all do along with ma'am? Yes? Yes. Now let us take the first sum. Yorani ma'am, can you just enlarge it? Now we can do the first sum. 1 plus 1. See? 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? Come on, keep 1 in the mind. 1 in the mind. 1 in the finger. In addition, what will come? After, right? Yes. So, 1 in the mind. 1 in the finger. After 1, it's 2, right? So the answer is 2. But what they gave? They gave us 11. It is wrong, right? So next to that, circle the 11 and write 2. Circle the 11 and write 2. Are you all writing along with ma'am? So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Yes, they have given the answer wrong, right? But as we all know addition, we corrected that. Yes, so write 2. Okay, now shall we go for the next one? 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7. Do you remember the property? Do you remember the addition property? First property. Yes, when you add 0 with any number, we will be getting the same number. Yes, see, when you add 0 with any number, we will be getting the same number. Yes, but see what they have given here. 0 plus 7 equal to 0. Is the answer correct? No, right? Yes, as we all know the property 0 plus 7 equal to 7. Yes, so circle the 0. Circle the 0 and write 7 there. Yes. So we saw the property plus 0 and in the case sum we saw property plus 1. Yes. Now we are going to see the next sum. 2 plus 6 equal to 6. See, they have given 2 plus 6 equal to 6. Shall we count and see? Shall we do using the picture? Yes, shall we draw the picture? Yes, draw two stars. Draw two stars. Yes, and now what the next number is? 6. Draw 6 stars. You can work out in your textbook. Yes, in the corner there will be space. No, you can work out there. Okay, so draw 6 stars. All together. How many stars now? See, do you remember the word? All together. How many? Total. Yes, now we are going to count all the stars. Yes, come on, count all the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we found the answer as 8. Yes, but what they have given? They have given 6. They have given 6. It's wrong, right? So circle and write 8 there. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. Have you all written? Shall we go for the next sum, D sum? Yes. 2 plus 2 equal to 5. Come on, count in the mind. We can do with the mind calculation. Yes. 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2, yes, come on, say 3, 4. Yes, so the answer is 4, but they have given us 5. So circle it, circle the 5 and write 4. Yes, children, we all spotted the error. Yes, we found the correct answer there. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 0 plus 7 equal to 7, 2 plus 6 equal to 8 and 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Yes, with the help of properties we found the answer, right? Yes, do you all know the addition rules? We saw 3 rules, right? Yes. Now shall we go to the next page? Yes, come on, we'll go. Have you all finished? Those who are not having, no problem. You can write in the rough notebook, okay? Yes. Now, page number 25. Come on, take page number 25. Look carefully at the two images. What is there? There is a cock. Yes. See, now there are two circle A and B. There are some hen cocks are there. Yes. Shall we count the hens? Yes. Come on, count. We have in the A box, we will count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. And this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Yes, in same way, shall we count in the B? 1, 2, 3. We have 3. And the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have 6 here. Okay. Now we have 5 and 4 in A circle, and in B we have 3 and 6. Okay. Now shall we go for the down? They have given a statement, right? Yes. See, look carefully at the two images above and now fill up the blank spaces. Yes. For the image A, what we saw? First we saw how many ends were there? There were? Yes, 5. There were in image A. And 4. You can write it in the dash, ma'am. 5 and 4. Yes. And for image B, what was there? It was 6 and 3. Yuvrani ma'am, can you check again whether it's 5 and 4? Yes, 5 and 4 and 3 and 6. Okay. It was 5 hands plus 4 ends, and for image B, Padmesh, kindly mute yourself. 6 ends plus 3 ends. Now we are going to count the total number of ends. We are going to count the total number of ends in image A. Shall we count? Yes. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it's 9 ends. How many ends? 9 ends. Yes, come on, write in the dash 9 ends. Now we will count for the image B. Now we will count for the image B. 6 ends plus 3 ends. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes, there also 9 ends. Matching equals, right? In A and B, it is equal. So now we have filled. Have you all written? Right, ma'am, we'll wait for a few seconds. Write fast. 5 ends plus 4 ends equal to 9 ends, and 6 ends plus 3 ends equal to 9 ends. Have you all written? Shall we go for the next? Yes. Yes, there is a challenge for yourself. Challenge yourself. Yes, we are going to face this one. Yes, page number 25. Use the digits 0 to 9 to fill up the blank spaces. Yes, you can use any number. You can use any number from 0 to 9 and you should fill it. Shall we do? Ma'am will help you the 3 sums. Then the rest of the two this you should do. Okay. So 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Now only we saw, right? 4 plus 5 in the end. Yes. Now shall we count 4 plus 5? Yes. Come on, count. 4 in the mind. 5 in the finger. After 4. Are you all counting? What will be the answer? The answer is, yes, see, ma'am is drawing 4 stick, 5 stick, Now again 4 sticks. All together, how many sticks are there? All together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 sticks. So 4 plus 5 equal to 9. And the next one, 5 plus 4. See, 5 plus 4. See, property is coming here. What property? Order property, right? Do you all remember the order property? Whatever order the number is, the answer will be same. Yes, see, in the first sum it is 4 plus 5 and in the second it is 5 plus 4. Same number, right? 5, 5, 4, 4. Yes, whatever order the number is, the answer will be yes, the same. Yes, whatever order the number is, the answer will be same. Yes, so 4 plus 5 equal to 9 and 5 plus 4 also equal to 9. Yes, we got the answer. Now, shall we go for the next one? Yes, same number only it's given 4 plus 5. So now we know the answer 9. We know the answer 9. See what they have given? They have given dash plus dash. So what they want is the number 9. How we can split the number 9? You can split in any way, but you should use the numbers from 0 to 9 and split it. Okay. Now, for the number to split the number 9, shall we take 6? Shall we take 6? Yes, so ma'am is going to take 6. So, in order to find the other number, what we should do? You already know, right? To get the number 9, if like this it come, what we have to do? We should do the subtraction and see, right? So, 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger, 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger, before 9,
Sukanya ma'am, we couldn't hear you. Sukanya ma'am? Sukanya ma'am?
Ma'am, just wait, ma'am. I'll check it now. Check the network.
Okay, am I audible?
Well,
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, children. So, when we subtract minus 6 from 9, we will be getting the answers in the before number, right? Yes. So, what is the before number of 9? As ma'am said, 9 in the mind and 6 in the finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Yes. So, how many steps the frog has to jump? He has to jump for 6 times, right? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time and 6 time. So, he has jumped 6 time and he has reached to number 3. Okay, so 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger, before 9, 8, fold the finger, one finger you have to fold. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. Now we have folded all the fingers, right? So where we are standing now? We are standing in number 3. So the answer here will be 3. Okay, when we put 3 here, we will get the answer as 9. Can we check in the addition whether it is correct or not? Can we check? Yes. Put 6 here and 3 here and now check whether we are getting 9. Can we check whether it is 9? Now do the addition sum. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. In addition, we will be counting in the forward direction. That is after number. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after 6, 7, 8, 9. We will be getting the answer as 9 if we jump for 3 times. So now here we got the answer. Sukanya ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, my phone got stuck. Sorry, ma'am. Yes. So we got the answer as 6 plus 3. Am I audible, ma'am? Yuvarani, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So we got the answer as 6 plus 9. So we can split the 9 as 6 and 3. The same way you can split it in any order. Okay, you can take 5 and 4. You can take 3. You can take 2 and 7. Like that you can split in any way. So okay. So the next sum 4 plus 5. There is 3 dash. Okay. You itself try. Then again there is 4 dash. That also you try. Okay. Now we are going to what time is that? Yes, it is 2 tables time. Tables time. Did you all memorize? Still 5? Yes. So now repeat. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Again, memorize it. Did you all memorize? Come on, say again. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Yes, children. Still 5. 2 fives are 10. You memorize, okay? 2 6 are and all. We will start in the next class. Did you all finish the textbook exercises? Yes. Those who are not having, no problem. We will send the PDF file. You can copy it in your rough notebook and write. Okay. Yes. Do you have any doubt here? Any doubt? You have any doubt? No. If there, you can write it in the chat box. Okay. Finish your workbook exercise, finish your textbook exercise, finish your classworks. Okay. Are you all ready for the evaluation? From Monday it starts, right?